Alright, we're going to do a fast field strip of the Ruger Mark III. First thing you want to do, check if the chamber is loaded with the chamber indicator, which it's not. Second, you want to drop your magazine. There's no ammunition. Let's check the barrel. There's nothing in the chamber. So let's go ahead, put the clip back in. And there's nobody down below me except for concrete. Drop the hammer. Next thing you want to do is grab something brass that you can get underneath that little lever. Swing that up. Swing this out. And sometimes it helps to take a rubber mallet beforehand and give it a little tap. Now let's swing it out, turn the gun upside down, get a firm grip on it, and squeeze. Next thing you want to do is pull the trigger, slide out your bolt. Next you want to drop out your magazine. Next thing you want to do is put this on a flat surface that's padded and gently tap that off. And here's the workings of the gun. You got your trigger piston right here, your bolt catch for when you run out of ammunition in your clip, your hammer, and your safety. Now let's reassemble it. Just everything's the opposite way. Rubber mallet. Tap that back in place. Make sure it's firmly seated. Put your magazine in. When you put your magazine in, that allows the trigger to be pulled. Put your bolt in. And you'll have to grab and pull this down to allow the bolt to slide in. Release your trigger. Put this back in. But before I put that back in, there's something I'd like to point out. Down inside here, that little tang has to go in this hole when I swing that up and under. Hold the gun in a semi-vertical position. Insert that pin 90 degrees to the barrel. And then have the gun completely vertical, straight up and down. Pull the trigger. Let that swing in freely. Now, there's no springiness on here. That should be springy if that little tang inside there's in the right spot. So pull the trigger, give it a little wiggle. There, now it's in the right spot. See, it springs back. And then you just close your little clasp. Check if the action works, and it does. You're ready to go.